Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? Can you hear me? Want to make sure you hear me. There's no echoes or anything like that. Do you hear me loud and clear? Let me know in chat. Yo, Paul. Paul, what's going on, man? Can you hear me? Everything nice and clear and crisp? Nice. Awesome. Yo, good stuff. Nice to see. Nice to see you guys in the house here. All right. All right, all right. So guys, we're going to be going over some charts here tonight. We're going to be going over AMC, of course, because that thing's still in play. We're going to be going over a little setup here. I traded on CERE this week. And what I really want to go over on that one is how I kind of like drew it out before it happened. I want to show you guys. Yeah, man, Paul and Paul are in the house. The Day Trader Show is in the house. Jonal, the admin at the Day Trader Show, the daytraderchatroom.com. The Day Trader Show is his YouTube channel. He hasn't been on that thing in a long time, but he had that channel started up some time ago. Bernie, what's going on? Ben, Umberto, yo. Awesome, man. Glad to see everybody on here joining up. Gonna be on here for a little while. Do some studying on the charts, answer some questions. Glad to see everybody here and ready to rock and roll. So how's everyone's week gone? Like, how's your trading gone? Man, June was awesome, wasn't it? We had some great movers. I mean, AMC was moving around. We had MRIN moving around, CERE, XELA. Man, it's like we've had some really good moves. Jerry, what's going on, man? Jerry's in the house. Umberto, A, B, and B might be in play over 155. Definitely very possible. Definitely very possible. We're going to check into some of those charts here real quick. But you know what? As we start off here, I want to show you something. I want to show you a quick little screenshot here. Check this out. Look at this screenshot, guys. Do you see this CERE? Let me make sure you can see it right up here. CERE. This is CERE yesterday. I drew this out. Check it out. We had the big push straight up, big volume. We got VWAP there. We got the 9 AMA. We got our fib levels drawn out. And then what did I do in chat? Right, at daytraderchatroom.com, I drew out, like I added this little line right here on the 9 AMA and on VWAP. Who remembers that? And I told you guys, let's watch for a pullback into that level for a pop here and a push to new highs. I traded that right there. Why? Because look at this. Look at it right there. That's the actual chart before it even happened. We drew it in chat live. This is the type of stuff we do at the Day Trader chat room, guys. You know, I draw these things out before they happen. I show you this is what I'm looking for. Doesn't mean it's going to happen always. That's just not how life works. But I show you what I'm looking for, what I want to buy before it even happens, right? So the guys were able to watch this live in chat, and it was a good little trade. Oh, just lost my screen there real quick. Give me 1 second. There you go. Let me get the rest of it back. There you go. All right, we're back in business there. Where's Jonal? Jonal's right under you there, Jerry. The Day Trader Show. That's his old YouTube channel. He's the one working hard. Well, what did Terry say? Does Terry know about Gary? Yeah, the day trader show is Jonah. Ah. That is Jonah right there, guys. So Umberto said 155. Was that what you said? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's clear as day. That's clear as day. Look at the daily here, guys. Look at the daily on Airbnb. Look at this line here at 155. Look at that. Clear, crazy resistance right up in there. If Airbnb can get up over 155, right? If it can get up in here, whoops, and hold the level, right? This thing could make a nice run right back up here. So definitely one to keep on watch. Good eye, Umberto. Let me get this back over here to the 3-minute time frame. There we go. Definitely one to keep on watch for sure. Oh, guys, before I forget, sign up for the free giveaway. Here, let me put the link in chat real quick for you. Where is it? There we go. All right, so if you're interested, which you should be, in getting a 30-day free access membership to the daytraderchatroom.com, sign up right here. I'm going to pin it for you at the top. Make sure to sign up for the raffle, guys. We're going to be doing that raffle tonight live right in here, and one lucky winner will get a 30-day membership to the daytraderchatroom.com. Last time we did our lives, remember, we do our lives every first and last Wednesday of the month. We had like 3 lucky winners. I mean, Jonah was super generous that day. He told me today that I was only allowed to keep it to 1. We'll see. And we'll see what we do there. He's already like back there like texting me, Jesse, I said 1. So we'll do the giveaways. Now remember, guys, in order to keep your winning, right? Like you're gonna win a 30-day, you gotta be able to be logging into chat. So you gotta log into your dashboard where you have your courses, the video lesson library, all your resources, the access to the live chat, at least twice a week minimum. Because if you don't, then that means you're not taking advantage of it, and we're gonna wanna give it to somebody else who's actually gonna be there to learn. So that's the one thing. And then the other thing is, if you've already won, so if you won, you know, already a month and your month's about to expire, then you can't win a second month in a row. Like we can't do that. We're gonna do, you know, we gotta let the other people have a shot. You can't win it all. So if your month is about to expire from the free, okay, and I'm pretty sure you're interested in signing up, get with Jonah, he'll hook you up. You know, you got access obviously to the monthly or the biannually or the yearly. The yearly is the one you're gonna have access to all our courses always and forever, every course we come up with, and your price is locked in. So Adrian knows what's up. What is that, man? What's that emoji? Ah, the apes. The apes in the house, huh? Talking about apes. AMC, man. AMC. That AMC is wild. We're going to talk about AMC tonight. We're going to talk about AMC. We're going to talk about a few tickers for sure. Awesome, Duncan. Good luck. Maybe on the next one, Jerry. Not always on him, you know. We don't want to overwork him. All right, guys. So you know what? Let's do a little Q&A here. Anybody, you know, if you guys, that was good. That was good, Adrian. Let's do a little Q&A. If you guys have any questions, any charts you want me to look over, even day trading, swing trading, long-term stuff, you know, long-term swings, you know, whatever, post it in chat there. I'll bring up the charts and we'll go over them. And then a little bit after that, we'll go over AMC. I'm going to recap. Today was a red day. It was a red day on, what stock was it, man? That chop fest stock. What a choppy piece of crap that stock was. CUEN. There you go, Adrian. BLL. Guys, remember to put the tickers in all caps so that, you know, we don't make a mistake. Is it BLL? Playoff 81? Okay, so yeah, BLL. Yeah, I mean, it's possible. I'd wait for confirmation. It's possible. You could see right here. Let me put the daily chart up here real quick. I mean, you got clear 81. 81 level looks pretty clear here. You can see past support right in there and even right in here. And then you had resistance all up in this level. Whoops. At that 81, so yeah, possible. BBBY. Oh, yeah, man, we've all been there. It had a nice move today. Definitely had a nice move. We've all been there, that's for sure. It was right off the bell. Look at this thing. It's just like a straight move up. Guys, I'm liking Wish for like a little bit of a long-term swing trade here. I might start to look for a starter with ads into this 50-day moving average. And I mean, I do mean it like a long-term swing, like possibly, you know, anywhere from a few months to a couple of years or something like that. A company is not bad. They're not profitable, right? They're not profitable. They're not net profitable, but they have a lot going for them as far as an e-commerce. Like, think of it as like an e-commerce online, right? That's what it is, e-commerce. But think of it as like a dollar store version. Like, remember when you were a kid, you go to the dollar store and you just pick up some cheap toys? Think of it like that. But I guess for adults, because you can buy like, you know, Iron Man like helmets and everything on there. Like, it's wild. I don't even have the app downloaded on my phone. I think I want to check it out. Or maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. Might throw away some stupid money at dumb stuff. What else we got here? All right, guys. So, pull my entry for the drawing, please. I went too much at everything in life. Paul. Today, what was that? CUNE again? Was that? No, that's not it. It's up here. Hold on. Let's get it from the scanners. CUEN. This thing was disgusting. Look at this chart. I got stopped out of CUEN like 3 times. My first trade was on the morning was right here. I got an entry. I got a take profit, and then I went to go take some more profit, and my order got rejected on Charles Schwab. I don't know why. And I wasn't recording it, so I can't even go show it to them. Pretty crappy. And then, you know, I just stopped out of it right here at VWAP. Entry was 810. Stop out at the last piece was 808. And then it just held. Look at this. Then it just held. And then we pulled back into the level, which was wild to me. On decreasing volume. Look at this thing. It was perfect. I got long again. Looking for, like, you know, bang. It should have came. Honestly, that was a beautiful looking setup. And look what happened. I'm like, are you seriously kidding me right now? And then it got me again in here. I got long again in there, and I got stopped out in here. Super choppy, man. Super choppy. I went 0 for 3 basically on this one. Even though the first trade was a winner, but I really didn't count it. That was my trading today. That's it. I can sum it up in like those 3 minutes. Evening, Kevin. Welcome aboard. Bro, that's what we do daily as traders. Throw money at dumb stuff. Oh, man. That was a good one. APP? APP. I mean, look, it's obviously, there you go. No? I don't want to see it pull into this level for sure. Yeah, Duncan, CUNE was ridiculous. That was just a chop fest. That thing, we're gonna go back to that chart. This thing, this CUNE. Let me go back to the 3-minute chart real quick. Look at this mess. Like this was ridiculous. You know, it would trick longs on a dip buy, and it would trick shorts on rejections because you'd come all the way back down here and then get squeezed right back up here. You'd be like, okay, well, I got to stop out of it. It's going to hold. Then it cracks. Then it reclaims and chops around forever. And then finally it gives it up. Like, it's just stupid. I mean, I haven't seen a stock trade like this in like a month. Longs and shorts got hammered in CUEN today. No. I lied to myself. All right, guys. I made small change on Jesse's stop. Literally changed. Literally changed. Oh, man. All right, guys. Remember to sign up for the raffle there. All right, guys. So you got any questions, any charts you want me to go over? I went over a few there from Umberto. If you guys have any charts you want me to take a look at before we jump into AMC in a little bit, or any questions, any day trading questions, anything. Like it could be like, hey, Jesse, you know, how do you properly trade a bull flag? Because, you know, maybe you've traded bull flags and they don't work out for you. Well, you might be missing something. So now's the time. See you, Yanni? Yeah, look at this thing, man. Weird trading stock. Some stocks to watch tomorrow, NEGG. NEGG, HUSA, I was going to say, yeah, but not. NEGG needs to be kept on watch tomorrow. VMEO. Yeah, Umberto is the swing trade master. He's one of the members at the daytraderchatroom.com, and my man there is really good at the swing trades. What are you looking at here on Fimo? I mean, yeah, we got that gap fill. We broke into it and we're holding at support so far. You know, I like it. If we get back down here and test this area and bounce off of it, we could have a shot at the gap fill. Look at that. That's not bad. That's not a bad looking little setup there. But we need more volume. Look at the volume. Look at the volume profile, Umberto. That volume profile sucks. We need bigger volume in here for the bounce. Like you want it to test and then bounce. And when it bounces, I want to see, you know, an increase in volume on the bounce. Like, watch, hold on. Let me fix this real quick. Whoops. Like, let's say we get down here one more time, right? Let's say we do that. And then we do this. I want to see this on the volume. I want to see that on the volume. Right there. That's going to be the signal for me anyways. And then I would look for the move back up to this region, right? That'd be a first take profit, follow up take profit if it gets through the highs. That's ideal scenario, obviously. You know it's not always like that. Guys, this is what we do every single day at the daytraderchatroom.com. Every single day. It's like I had said earlier. Remember CRE, what the hell was it? CERE. I drew this out before it actually happened on the chart. So I was telling the guys, what I'm looking for is for this to happen. I want to see a pullback, you know, decrease in volume, and then a break through the highs here, VWAP, 9 AMA, meet up in here, get that crossover. And that's exactly what happened on CERE this week. Gap fills are awesome. Gap fills are a ton of fun. All right, guys. Well, any more tickers you want me to go over there with you? Or questions about chart setups, questions about chart time frames, any newbie questions as well. Okay, why is somebody wrote in chat there? Somebody wrote literally, what is this? Kirsten, everybody go invest in T stock, AT&T. It's going to skyrocket tomorrow. Why? Why is it going to skyrocket tomorrow? I mean, the chart definitely doesn't tell me anything about it skyrocketing. Why is it going to skyrocket tomorrow? Umberto. Nothing. There's got to be a reason. You can't just come on and say, oh, such and such is going to skyrocket. You got to have an actual reason on why it's going to skyrocket. Kind of feels that way. Like I can come on here and say tomorrow, I can come on here right now, right? We're looking at this daily chart. Let's put this daily chart here on NEGG that had a big day today. And I could say, guys, I'm watching 1740 area for pullbacks. You know, I think we have a shot at 21, 22 bucks. If we get over that, we have a shot at 27. Why? Well, I just showed you right here, right now, on the daily chart, why I think that. Right? Today we broke over that key level and we held it. You always got to have a reason. You always got to have a reason on why you think something's going to make a move. It can't just be because you read it on Reddit or some Facebook group. USEG, consolidation at moving averages and strong volume today. Yeah, nice little volume bounce off of the 50-day moving average. It's broken up over 200 and 100-day moving average. Not bad. I don't like the daily chart. There's a lot of resistance. There's a lot of overhead resistance all the way through until 668. You can see here, all throughout here, and here past support. This is an extremely important level, guys. Guys, you saw how quickly I just did that on the daily chart. It's like, boom. It just takes practice. It just takes practice at identifying all that stuff. Look at this. Look at how crucially important that level is. This is the type of stuff we do all day long at the daytraderchatroom.com, guys. This is exactly what we do. It has potential, definitely. If it continues holding that, I would definitely be looking to take some profits off in that zone, and then some more if it breaks up over that level. Yeah, that's probably why. That's probably, I mean, it didn't even do anything. I mean, as a long term, like if you look at this and you tell me as a long term investment, is this a good area to buy it? I mean, it's definitely consolidating rather nicely. Like if I was going to buy this and hold on to it for the next 20 years, yeah, why not? But I really don't own it. I mean, I don't own it. Not because I think it's bad stock. I don't think it's bad at all. Like for a long term, I think it might be a pretty good play. I've actually been heavily getting into Palantir for the long term lately. I got an order out on Palantir looking for an ad at 25 bucks. And I'll tell you, if Palantir drifts its way back down here again one day, I'm gonna add to it again because I have conviction on it as an investment. Atara! What? Atara's in the house. What's going on? Good to see you. Check it out. Check it out, Jono. Look who has blessed us with her presence. Umberto says Kramer's a clown. He's entertaining. Maybe I should get some buttons here and be like, buy, 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 and do all his crazy stuff. Atara, the Day Trader Show is Jono. That's his old YouTube. He says my own guys, members of the daytraderchatroom.com. Look at what Jono just said. He said y'all ain't his friends, only Atara. Oh, that would be amazing, Jerry. All right, Jerry. Jerry has spoken, Jono. We're gonna get a stream deck. You're gonna start like doing all the DJing on your side during these lives, and you're gonna put all sorts of special effects on here. You're gonna have all sorts of stuff flying around. I mean, I know you have that stuff going on for TikTok, but we're gonna start doing that on the YouTube now too. On the YouTube. I'll do it. I'll do it, Jerry. This is why Jonah gets fired on the daily. Jonah, Jerry said he wants me to have buttons on here that I press, and it's like Jim Cramer going insane, going buy, buy, buy. I don't know, man. You're gonna have to make it happen. Watch. Boom. Hey, that's actually how I feel about Palantir. So this is actually very much in line. Jonah, if I had feelings, they would be hurt. Poor Jonah. Oh, Tara, you don't know anything. You gotta get back in there. You gotta get back in there. Jonah needs a big switch on his wall so he can hit it daily. Jonah hit the switch too early today, and that's why everything moved around nicely in pre-market and then was just a crapshoot the rest of the morning. No, Atara defends you. What are you talking about? Rocket ship emojis. That's awesome. All right. Oh yeah, Umberto, that's right. We talked about GME. Guys, GME, look, GME, it could give you a little technical bounce off of the 50-day, but I think GME really doesn't get the party going unless AMC does, because AMC is really the leader of these meme stocks. So I don't really think you're gonna get a huge move out of GME unless that happens. Adrian, there's no crying in the chat room. That's right. That's right, Jonal. There's no crying in the chat room. Here you go. No crying. There's no crying in chat, Jonal. GME, man. If AMC makes a move, then you can definitely see, GME start to go a little crazy. It's possible. You could see that. And then if AMC goes nuts, you could definitely see, a GME make a big old run. But it is holding that 50-day, rather nicely. But the volume, look at the volume. Look at how the volume's dying off. That volume needs to pick up so this doesn't happen. You have a mic. You have a mic. Plug it in. He does have a mic. He has a mic. As a matter of fact, forever I always told Jono, get on the dash, get like when everything's quiet, get on there and show the people all the stuff you've done on the dashboard. Like right now, as a matter of fact, would be a perfect time for Jono to, come on here and show you guys the dashboard. See, today's watch list, right? Here's today's watch list, right? Here are your courses. Day Trading 101, Advanced Day Trading, Options Trading, Short Selling's coming out this summer, guys. Swing Trading is already out. Futures Trading next year. Then you have additional resources. All right, Video Lesson Library. Video Lesson Library has over 200 videos at this point, guys. Trading psychology, technical analysis, day trading recaps, fundamental lessons. Yesterday we went over long-term investing. So like just tonnage of resources, guys. You come here to the resources section and bang, you get tons of more information to go over, and everyone gets access to this stuff. Now, as far as the courses go, in order to get access to all of the courses and all future courses that come out, that's the yearly membership. I think the biannually has, John, I could tell you more. Biannually, I think has advanced, Day Trading 101 and advanced day trading. But I don't think they have options or short selling or none of this. Swing trading, none of that. Like when you do the yearly membership, you lock in your price and then you get access to every single course we ever come up with in here and anywhere else. All right. So yeah, boom, watch list, courses, dashboard. Here's your rule section. Loads of stuff. All right. Oh yeah, guys, sign up for the raffle. John, I'll put it up there in chat. Sign up for the raffle. We're gonna do the raffle here in a little while. After we do AMC, we'll do the raffle. and we'll go from there. Yeah, Adrian knows. We've heard Jonah talk because he's got it on the mic. He's got a mic. He's just allergic to talking on it. So I was like, oh no, I'm shy. I'm shy. Go look at his day trading like videos, like not day trading videos, like his day trader show videos. He was kind of like your ESPN of day trading. Now, if he wants to continue that channel, it's gonna take a different route though. Yes, Umberto, remember Wish? Before Wish did this, before Wish did that move, we were already talking about it. It was on the list. I think it was right here, if I'm not mistaken. Right here for this gap. So now, you know, I'm looking to definitely get back in it. Well, in it, I never got it. I missed it. I'm looking to get in it, but I'm looking at it as more of a long-term hold, not necessarily an investment like I have Palantir, where I plan to hold Palantir even for 20 years, right? Because I got Palantir in my Roth IRA. My wife has Palantir in her Roth IRA. I have Palantir in my taxable regular Charles Schwab long-term account. So I don't plan to do that with Wish, but I do plan to buy some and hold it for, I don't know, a few months, a few weeks, a few years, whatever. I think, you know, I think Wish is easily a $20 to $40 stock. Easily. Over 40, I don't know, but $20 or $40 stock easily. That's my opinion, of course. Yeah, yeah, Umberto, exactly. Exactly. What does Wish do? Oh man, think about Wish has been around for a while. Think about Wish as like your online dollar store, but it's really an e-commerce place, but it's like all cheap stuff. Like you can go to the App Store now on your phone and just download the Wish app and look through it and you'll see a bunch of cheap stuff that you can buy. Stoic, oh, about a little bit over 5 years now. About a little bit over 5 years I've been trading now. Nice, Paul. Yeah, the guy that made, you know, the founder of Wish, I think he's 36, 37 years old, something like that. 39, I don't know. He's young. He's under 40. He's either my age or a little bit younger than me. And that dude's, that's it. He's he's got it made forever. Yeah, it is under 13 now, Duncan. That's exactly why I'm hoping tomorrow I can start entering. I'll start, you know, with a feeler. Jerry. It's funny. Like Wish is weird like that, right? Because everything's just cheap stuff, but they make money. Like they can definitely make money. Look for a dead cap on Wish. Elmer the dead cat. Really? Oh my god. Is it on Wish? Oh, okay, okay, okay. It was on eBay. That's funny. That's funny. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'll probably look tomorrow to get a little piece of Wish, and if we get down here, I'll probably get the rest of my position and maybe leave like 10, 15% in case we go a little bit lower, back down here to the tens, and then I'll do my final ad, and then I'll put it away. I'll put it away, and I'll be like, wake me up in a few years, you know, a few months, depending when it wants to get back up into the 20s and 30s. AMD. This AMD? Oh my god, it's at 94 bucks. I mean, yeah, absolutely. It's got to break and hold 95, which it probably will. And would I trade it intraday? Maybe. Oh, can't believe it's already up there. It made this run. I have some shares in AMD, not a lot. That's a long-term investment. I have either me or my wife in our Roth IRA. And then my daughter, my 1-year-old, she has a little investment account I started for her last year, which I got to do a video of and put it on YouTube. Let me check on hers. She probably has like 4 shares or something like that, if that. Oh yeah, she has 4 shares. So here's her AMD. She's up. What is she up? 28 bucks. Nice. Well, can you see it? That's her little AMD account, but it's a whole thing. Like this is on the M1 app. So she's up 63%, over 1,200 bucks between all her little positions that I have here for her. When she's 18, she's gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, here, happy birthday. She won't even know. Yeah, I like AMD long term. I mean, I have it, but not a lot, obviously, because I've been waiting for dips that don't come sometimes. And then I got really, really caught up in Palantir, you know. Like most of my funds that I set aside this year, starting last year and this year, most of my funds that I set aside for long-term investment in single stocks, most of it went to Palantir. So a little bit of a risky there. That's it's as far as single stocks go, Palantir is my biggest holdings. The majority of it, though, is found in a Vanguard fund for the retirement. But like what I dedicate to, you know, a portion of my monthly investments that I dedicate to single stock picks, I put in Palantir. Oh, G Shot goes in the house, and he's like, G Shot go. That's my boy right there. We like whenever you guys see me that I tweet out those Apex Legends champions, that's my boy. That's who I play with. He is another Palantir like ultra fanboy like me. We like Palantir long term, and he has a good position. His position is actually bigger than mine in Palantir. Guys, free course. Sign up if you're new. If you're new to trading, the free course right there in the chat. You can see it there. The Day Trader Show. He just shared it. You can go there, click that, and you can go through our free course, get a little taste of what's going on. Also, remember today we are doing the raffle for a free 30-day of the daytraderchatroom.com. So sign up for the raffle. There you go. Link in chat as well. And yes, G-Shot Go, rocket emoji, fire, more rocket emojis, moon emoji, Palantir, long term. Long term Palantir. You know, I'm of the crowd, and you'll see people on YouTube talk about it. I'm of the crowd that I think Palantir could be a $1 trillion company. You know, we can see that stock 300, 400, 500 bucks a share. It's possible. Am I going to hold my entire position to those numbers? Probably not. Do I plan to add? If I get more dips, yes, I'm going to add more Palantir. I do plan to sell a little bit, and it'll probably be in my taxable account. when we reach, if we reach that $100 level, I probably will book some profit there, take some profit there, but the bulk I'm holding long term in my Roth IRA, so those gains are going to be tax-free, baby. Exactly, Stoic. Plus, they're continuously with Foundry. Foundry is their commercial software. With Foundry, they're really going to go after the commercial sector. So they want to get involved with, you know, these business to business. They want to work with the Facebooks, the Amazons. You know, they want to work with the Teslas of the world. That's what Foundry's for. Foundry is their commercial software. I believe Gotham is the one that they use. If these names are real, I believe Gotham is the one they use for the government, if I'm not mistaken. And as AI starts to really take over, as the years go by, you know, they're ahead of the game. That's why I think 10 years from now, I'll be sitting pretty on my Palantir. That's why, look, I'm telling you what, and JesseW, if he's still here watching, he's going to be like, damn it, Jesse, stop saying that. Like, I want another dip on Palantir because I want to buy more. I want to buy more. I'll buy under 30, and then I'll buy little bits, maybe over 30 if I need to over the years, but no. But I want to buy the most I can under 30. The CEO straight up said, put your money here if you believe in the company long term, not for short-term gains. Yeah, absolutely. And Peter Thiel comes from the PayPal days with Elon. If I'm not mistaken, he was the CEO of PayPal after Elon. G-Shot go, no more dips. Yes, bro, we need more dips so we can buy more shares. I want to buy them on discounts. As a matter of fact, look at the daily. A couple of little clear $27 resistance. I'm here like, Palantir, I'm waiting for you. I have an order out at 25. I have an order at 25. And if it comes back down here to 23s to test that 50-day moving average, I'm gonna buy more. Between real estate and stocks and, you know, like overall market and specifically Palantir, this time next year, I'm gonna be cash poor. But it's all right. A decade from now, I won't care. You know it, Paul. I'm always, you know, look, man, I bought my house during the first recession. I bought the Keys house, the house down in the Keys, was it in 2019, before things went crazy. I got a good deal on that one because everybody was afraid of it because it needed to be remodeled. Now I want to buy another investment property next year. That one, I got to wait for a good deal because everything's way too expensive, right? Like I bought my boat during the first recession too, and I still have it. You got to strike when stuff's on special, Paul. Hey guys, remember to sign up for the raffle. Look to the weekly chart on Palantir. To the weekly? Yeah, it's just straight up. After that, and very nice volume too. I don't mind the chart much when I'm long-term investing because I just dollar cost average in. You know, I bought Palantir. Oh, let me delete this real quick. Let's go back to the daily real quick. I bought Palantir. Okay, so yeah, I bought Palantir in here, my first entries. I did not take any profit. I did not take any profits from my long term. This bounce right here, we did swing trade it in chat and we nailed it. That was an amazing one with the options. I was in great trade. But I have Palantir from in here. I have Palantir from in here. I have Palantir, like my buys from in here in the long-term portfolios. All throughout here. All throughout here. A little bit in here. And now I'm waiting for more in here. So I just buy. Jerry, I wish. If I could Airbnb down there, I would clear that house. That house would clear me 10K a month. Easy. Easy. But that Kami County that is down there doesn't allow Airbnb, so I can't. Otherwise, I'll get a nasty fine. So I just rent it seasonally via a property manager I have down there. And whatever, man. She takes care of all the headaches, sends me my check, and happy. Yep, it should pull back. So I'm definitely waiting for that pullback to add into more for the long term. All right, guys, let's jump in here on AMC real quick here. We'll start talking about AMC. Then we'll start getting ready for the raffle and go from there. So, guys, why I think AMC is not dead yet. No, it's not a Florida thing. It's a Monroe County thing. Florida is awesome. It's a Monroe County thing. They suck. And, you know, I'm not even going to get into why they suck. I'll tell you in chat tomorrow. Look at all the support, guys. Like, are you seeing this on AMC? It's trading like it belongs there. Like it's a $52 stock. That's what it's trading like. Look at all this consolidation going on there. And look at this consolidation volume, guys. I couldn't be any more clear here. These shorts are uncomfortable. Can you imagine if you were short AMC? Even as a new short in here, let's say, you're uncomfortable because you're like, why hasn't this broken down yet? This trash does not belong up here. That's what you would say as a short. Let alone if you're short from in here. Okay? So it's just holding on there. And it's not dying off. Let's just come over here. What else do we have here, guys? A bull flag. Look at this. And what do we have on the flagpole? Big volume on the flagpole. And then what do we have during the consolidation, guys, of the flag pattern here? What do we got? You guys tell me. What else do we have here? We have big volume on the flagpole, and then we have the consolidation, the flag itself. What do we look for in order to like analyze the bull flag? You guys tell me. Show me what you've learned. Exactly. Exactly. Bang. Now, this is what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for right here. We want a break out of that flag on a nice fat increase in volume. Continuation with more volume. So we can break through the highs. It's not letting me draw that other one. It's not letting me draw the other one. Yeah, that is the weekly chart. Oh, look, maybe I can draw it now. There we go. That's what we want. Decreasing volume on the flag. Exactly, Umberto. Good job, guys. Stoic got it. Umberto got it. That's what we're looking for there, guys, on the weekly. You know, that's a little bit more clear than on the daily chart for you. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to take a little screenshot of this. This is exactly what I did with CERE this week. I'm going to take a little screenshot here. Bang. We're going to revisit this. We're going to revisit this next week and see what it looks like. AMC weekly chart flag. So I think that that AMC has a great shot here, but it needs to get over 65. AMC really needs to get over 65. That's the only way, right? So what I'm going to be looking for, maybe soon here is if I can get a nice little entry for a swing trade, give it to 51 or so, $50. I'll take a little starter position. I'll add to full size on a breakthrough this resistance zone. And then I'll take a little bit of profit off, like at 70, 71, 72, those all-time highs. And I'm going to hold on. I'm going to look to just take profits off in the 80s and the 90s, and then see if we can get up over that $100 level. I'm gonna end up having to join the ape squad on this because it's just looking too good. It's looking way too good. This is something AMC's been on the watch list for the day trader chat room for like a while now. It's just been something that we've continuously kept on watch because you can't deny it. You can't deny it. Look, check it out. Here is the dashboard. Click the watch list, current weekly watch list. I had AEI, AMC, Wish, MRIN all on watch this week. Like this came out on Monday. This was the weekly watch list right here. This is last week's watch list. Look what was on. Look what was on there again. AMC. And as long as AMC can hold up, it's going to remain on the watch list. Now, if AMC cracks, I'll probably take it off that watch list, at least to the long side. And that's about it, But I think AMC has tremendous potential. Paul says he feels a song coming on. What song? Man, my eyes are dry. I've been staring at computer screens all day. All right, guys, remember to sign up there. Remember to sign up for the raffle. We're going to do it in a few minutes here. Let me start getting the wheel of names ready. Going on, when you get a chance, start getting those names ready and send them over for everybody that signed up for the raffle. There's the link in chat, guys. Make sure to sign up for that. So, guys, we did a little Q&A. We did a little AMC. We went over that AMC, which is important. That level there at 52. We went over today's recap for me on CU. What was it? CUNE? I hate that stock so much. I don't even want to remember its name. CUEN. I hate that stock. So now we're going to start getting ready to do the raffle. And we'll do it today. Today's Wednesday, the last Wednesday of the month. And then next week on Wednesday, obviously the first week of the month of July, we'll do another live. Absolutely. The closer we get to the weekend, probably the less volume we're gonna see. We're gonna start seeing volume probably dry off more aggressively as the morning progresses and the quicker we get into lunchtime. With Friday probably being a little bit lackluster. Then we'll go into the weekend. Monday, the market's closed. So then next week's a short week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, on Friday. And we can probably start to see next week things to be a little bit sluggish on Tuesday. So Stoic, we started off December 28th. And we have no marketing at all. Like we don't do any marketing. Everything is just, my YouTube and just SEO. And we have a little bit over 20 some odd members in chat. And we're all there bouncing ideas all day long. And then, we're live in the morning. And the way it works is, we're live 9 a.m. The scanners are up before then. So you have access to the scanners. And then we're up and live and talking around 9 a.m. Bell rings at 9:30, and then I'm there, just like you see me here talking, basically almost nonstop. I'm there flipping through charts, looking for setups, showing you the ideas. Like this is a perfect example. I'll pull it up again real quick here, showing you guys the ideas of what I'm looking for. Showing you guys the ideas of what I'm looking for. I'm like, oh, CERE, look, I'm looking for this to happen. I'm looking for the 9 AMA. I'll draw it out, right? So that it's easy to understand. And And then that's what we do. We put out the alerts, of course. Then around 12 o'clock, we break off into lunch. I come back around 2 p.m. We look for afternoon setups. If they're there, great. We trade them. Like yesterday, we traded, what was it, MRIN in the afternoon and nailed it. Good move. From 12.20 was my entry. I was flat right around 15 bucks, in front of 15 bucks. As a matter of fact, I actually have the alerts here. Yeah, here we go. So this is yesterday's afternoon trading. Long starter MRIN 1220, stop 1140 area, taking some profits 1283, taking more profits 415. That's when we were halting. More profits out of the halt 1425, which I'm pretty sure I actually got a better fill than that. Then 1466, 1440s, 1480. That was the MRIN yesterday in the afternoon. And then you can also see, like, what we do is we run polls in the morning. We run polls in the morning to see how everyone did together. And everyone, including the mods, would vote. And this is today's performance. Today, poll results, June 30th, and I show everybody the results in the morning. 66% of traders were green, 11% were red, break even 11%, and 11% didn't trade. That was today's performance as a whole. And we actually jogged these down. Look, watch. Look at the dashboard real quick here. If you scroll down, there's a swing trading course available now to yearly members. Here you go, chat room accuracy since launch, and it was updated today. This is the team as a whole. You can see here's the game plan. Typically, we do live lessons right before lunch and recaps. Then we do afternoon commentary, of course. And then we post the after-hour scanners as well. So that's kind of like what a day goes, you know, how a day goes in the day trader chat room. Nice, MRIN. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a super good one. Yesterday, I hit it in the morning and then again in the afternoon. All right, so let me see here. I think Jonah might have sent me, yeah, he sent me the list of names. I got to send it to my other computer real quick where I'm streaming. Give me 1 second here, guys. And I'll start getting ready to do that. Let me show you. So if you come on over here, and you go to, you guys, if you want a 5-day trial, you can also do that. It's available there at the daytraderchatroom.com. All right, so there's that. And if you come over to the sign up section here, you can see everything, right? Monthly, biannually, and annually. The good thing with the annually is you get access to everything, always. And there's a coupon code. Jonah, I'll post it in chat. We have a coupon code right now for the Independence Day weekend. So that price that you're going to pay, which is going to be under 800 bucks, will be your price forever. Like if you renew next year again, boom, that'll be your price. It doesn't matter if we're like at 950 or 1,000 bucks. You'll renew at your original price. That's always. We're always going to do that. All right, let me get these names ready here real quick, guys, and we'll run this. There you go, coupon code, what is it? Save July 50, and that'll get you the coupon code for this weekend. And if you want to do the 5-day trial, oh, okay, cool. Yeah, here you go. Here's the 5-day trial. Right there, bang. Yep, Kevin's booked too. All right, so let me get these names real quick here. Okay, cool, man. Yeah, sounds good. We're always here. Yeah, we'll definitely do it. There's the 5-day trials right there for you. Let me get these names. Where did they go? Okay, here we go. All right, so we got our list of names. All right, guys, so here it is. You got our list of names there. All right, click to spin. Let's do it. Let's see who's going to win a 30-day access to the daytraderchatroom.com starting tomorrow. John in the trade, Johnny the trade. There we go. Johnny the trade wins. All right, Johnny the trade, get with Jonal to claim your prize. All right, you can get with Jonal to claim your prize, and you can start joining us, you know, starting tomorrow. Jonal will set up your membership profile so you can join, and you'll have, you know, access for 30 days. Remember though, you got to sign in at least twice a week minimum. Otherwise, we're going to have to just give that to a membership to somebody else, because we really want the person who gets this to be there to learn, right? Because you're getting access to the dashboard, all the video lesson library videos, a course just, you know, for that 30 days, and of course the live trading and live lessons and recaps every single morning. All right, spin again. You want me to spin it again? All right. Jonal is the boss. Eastern Terry. Eastern Terry, there you go. Jonal's gonna spin again. Jonal's a madman. All right, Jonal, if you want to spin again, then you spin it on your side, and you just send me the message, because I just exited. All right, guys. Is it Christmas yet? Oh, there he goes. He's spinning again. He's spinning it himself. You should have just sent me the link. I would have spun it. Thank God I'm not an English teacher. All right, so just write whoever it is that won in chat then, Mr. Jonal. Guys, if you didn't win, you can definitely join us for John Sanchez. John Sanchez, get with Jonal, the Day Trader Show there. Get with Jonal. And the easiest way, guys, for you winners, the easiest way to get with Jonal is to come here to daytraderchatroom.com and click here. You see this chat with us? You click there and you just can chat with Jonal all you want. There he is, right there, that bearded guy. All right, so you just type in there, you let him know that you won, and you're good to go. Guys, if you didn't win, then 5-day trial, bang. That 5-day trial is right there. All right. Oh yeah, there he is. John Sanchez. You're welcome, man. Congrats on the win. Congrats on the win. Look at Humberto. All right, guys. So here it is, just in case you missed it. Free course as well for you. And if you're interested in trade ideas, here is the link with a 15% off coupon code to TI. And of course, you have the 5-day trial always available. You can test drive us for 5 days and join us there. I'm 100% convinced if you come and join us for 5 days, you're going to be a member like right out the gates. We literally had a member, I don't think he's here. If he was here earlier, I think he left already. We literally had a member go through the 5-day trial, and I think it was right before he finished the 5-day trial, he actually signed up for the lifetime access, which isn't even on here anymore. I think we only do it on a, like, yeah, there we go. Like if you come on here, you'll see monthly, biannually, and annually. Annually is the best deal all day long. Then if you want lifetime access, you can click here and find out more. We actually had one member that did the 5-day trial, and before the 5-day was over, he was already talking to Jonal about the lifetime, and he actually signed up for it. It was an awesome email because it was early on, and he sent us the email, and he was like so happy that he had found us, and you know, he really believed in what we were doing, and he just wanted to become a lifetime member right out the gates. All right, Humberto, good night, man. See you tomorrow. All right, guys, so it's 7:09 p.m. We've been running this show here for a little bit over an hour. We got our winners. They're linking up with Jonal now so that they can start up their membership tomorrow for the next 30 days. And we'll do another live next week on Wednesday. Okay, we're going to do another live next week on Wednesday. We'll be doing some more giveaways. We're going to look and see if we do something else, a little extra possibly. And we'll go from there, right? Good luck tomorrow, guys. Stay disciplined. Manage your risk properly, all right? Don't oversize and stick to your rules. And if you have any questions, don't ever hesitate. You know, just go over to the daytraderchatroom.com, hit up Jonal. If you're looking to become a yearly member and you have some questions, daytraderchatroom.com, go to the little chat section once again, right here. Look, I'll show you real quick. You go, let's say you want to just go right there, bang, to the main area. You see here? Boom. You can chat with Jonal. Watch. Hey, Jonal, I need some help. And my man is always on that thing. Always. There he is. He wrote cert. Thank God he's not an English teacher too. I think he meant to write sir. And now he wrote stop bugging. Well, that's all day long. The banter continues. Later, Stoic man. See you soon. Adrian, later, my man. See ya. Jerry, tomorrow we shall kill it. All right, guys. Have a good night. Thank you very much for tuning in. Remember to smash the like button for me. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. I post out content pretty much every single day of the week. Well, 5 out of the 7 at least. I got to